Okay, welcome back to the KMT Traders channel. We're looking at pound USD just for this week. So right here I just have my daily chart, which obviously shows all the candles in day format. So we have this trend line here in purple that we've broken as of 15th/16th of April, and we found the retest and ultimately still on the short from then onwards. So judging from the last couple of days, we've started to enter ourselves into oversold conditions, as we can see in the RSI oversold conditions here. Look, as we can see, we started to get some divergence forming. So I'll just go ahead and draw that. What I mean by that. So the divergence is here is when price action is different towards the RSI indicator. So this is because it's on a daily, we can give this more confidence that we could potentially see a reversal at one of these key points and zones, key levels such as this blue line here at 1.2569. Sorry. I'm also going ahead to draw another line here as well, just because we've started to come a bit further down. I personally like to add lines and key level points as we go through the as price action goes closer towards the next sort of key levels, if you kind of understand what I'm trying to say. So I'll go ahead and change the color of this as well. So I'm just going to drop it down to a 4-hour just to see whereabouts we can start to see a potential entry point. So just drag it down here. So this is the uptrend that we've currently broken, and then we're still all the way down. So I mean, a lot of people have made a lot of money through this, through shorting the pound USD over the last few days. So in terms of potential retest zones, we always have a test of these lines that I've just created here of my key levels. So it's good to see that we found some sort of significance here, and we've sort of seen some support and resistance along the way. So if we take it down just a bit further, we can see that pin part rejection from the 4-hour up close on the hourly. So in terms of potential reversals, we can see as of now, as of making this video, that we're gradually converging back over. So this EMA conversion is a selling condition. As we can see here, we've got the huge rejection from this key point level here at the 1.2569 level. So I can see that we've made a strong transition here from the sellers to the buyers. So what we could presume is to draw some key levels and more zones from this point onwards, just to see as a potential retest zone for us to get into this for a potential long. So this zone that I just created right now was just based on the pin bar rejection from this level here, and it kind of held support here as well until it came to rejection, and it's still battling in between here until it broke and made that firm rejection. So we've got a lot of confluences on this little zone that we just created on the hourly. So for us to go for a long and see if we can get this change in momentum completely on the hourly, is for us to wait for the EMAs to change over completely, and for a potential retest zone to come into the zone here before we go towards the upside. In terms of targets, let me just produce the tool. So something along the lines of this, like this would be perfect, something along the line of this. And then the take profit zones would be towards the levels that we've created here. So in terms of projections, I'm looking for longs on pound USD. Let's take it back a bit further just to see roughly whereabouts and when. Well, we can see that the oversold conditions slowly started to take the opposite way in terms of the buyers, but it still was not able to twist completely. So we would just have to wait exactly when on the larger scales. But there is money to made. There is money to be made both ways. So by looking at the daily as again, we started to reach the oversold conditions on the RSI, and I believe we could find some sort of support. And if we take it back a little bit further, we can see that the last time we got into this area was December of 2018. So we are coming back for retesting this level here. So I do believe that we could find some support from this level, maybe a retest to come back down here and test the waters on this level here at 1.2704 and potentially see an upside from that. So we'll have a look next week and see what sort of outcome the pound USD produces for us as this week. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.